po sa aming lahat. Of course, our guest of honor and speaker, who will be formally introduced soon. Before I will read the introduction, I would like first to comment on the presentation of the record. Way back 1988 to 1991, record was established and it has already partnership with PNP. And with my conversation with the president of Record Philippines, this is just renewal, formalization of the partnership between the CES and the Record. So, hindi na bago ito, we are just formalizing. No? Since I became the director of CES, I have done Record since during our anniversary a year ago. Record was awarded as the best amateur radio. So congratulations to Record. And of course, so this is just a continuing partnership. I would like also to have this opportunity to express my apology for the past two founding anniversary of Record that I was not able to attend. And of course, the representative of our guest of honor here is actually the guest of honor is well represented. I know very much